Do you notice any green stuff on your roof? I've had that before, just a little bit of mold or
Yes.
something growing. And how do you take care of that? I mean, do I have to get my roof replaced or what? Can I just get that cleaned off or what? By the way, this is, if you didn't know already, this is Angela from Triple Peaks. That's why I'm asking an
Hello.
expert here. How do you take care of that stuff?
So there are products out there for you to safely clean your roof. So the biggest no-no is to take a pressure washer up there. You want to be able to use just a regular garden hose with a soft brush. You want to make sure if you do need to get your roof cleaned, that one, you get it from a professional who knows how to properly wash your roof. Putting a power washer up there is just going to blow out your granules and going to cause you a lot of grief. You want to make sure they use a garden hose, that you want to use a very, very mild detergent up there, if any, and lightly scrub your roof. From there are products out there called zinc strips that you can place them on your roof. So anytime it rains, it naturally comes down and helps keep from the lichen. That's what you see on your roof, that green stuff.
The zinc, there's some sort of a chemical reaction to the water or something? Is that what's
Yes.
happening? Oh, that's kind of neat.
So it flows down your roof during the rain and it helps keep that lichen from growing back.
Where do these zinc strips go? Along the top of the roof?
They go along the top of the
Okay.
roof. They're not very visual friendly.
Okay.
So you would have to get used to them, but it is something that a service that we do provide if that is something you need.
Point is, you don't have to have your roof replaced if you see some green stuff, but have somebody on there who knows what they're doing. And that somebody might be Angela's group here. What's your phone number in case they want to take care of that green stuff right now?
You can give us a call at Triple Peaks Roofing at 440-925-0386.